paper planes. Let's draw a fisherman fishing with his 3D net. At first, why don't we draw a beautiful picture of a fisherman fishing? And after that, let's take our sketch pen or crayons and start coloring. At first, we will start with the water. Well, for this drawing, we will require a beautiful boat on which a fisherman is standing. Let's color the fisherman's clothes. And after that, we can start coloring the beautiful boat. Use your favorite colors and complete coloring the entire thing. Let's color this with attractive colors. This looks great. Now, why don't we take another sheet of paper where we have so many fishes in a net? Yes, we need to draw it with a pencil and after that, sketch it with a black sketch pen. Why don't we color this with attractive colors? Yes, you can use your favorite colors as well. Now it's time for us to make the net, for which we will have to make crisscross lines on top of the entire space. Let's make this net properly. Once we are done with that, let's cut it very nicely. We will cut it right on top of the black sketch pen. Yes, I mean to say the outer line. Now, why don't we make slanting lines in the sky? Yes, we will use different colors like red, orange and yellow for the same. This makes it look so beautiful. Let's complete the entire area by making slanting lines. After that, let's take a cutter or a scissor and make a slit near the hands. And well, look at this. The fisherman is ready to take so many fishes home. Lovely! Like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon. I hope you had a lot of fun, friends. And for those of you who don't know me, I am Puffy Pups and this is my car, Bubbles. See you next time.